To make money online by performing micro tax and service, all you have to do is to open your browser and search sproutgigs.com. So when you hit sproutgigs.com, after hitting continue, I want you to click on this first link, Sprout Gigs, hire freelancers to help with small gigs for your or blah blah blah. Just click on this one, guys, and you can sign up. Guys, if you don't know how to sign up, the signing up process is very simple. Just click on sign up here and you can sign up simple. After signing up and verifying your account, it will take you here, something like this. You're gonna see a home page like this. And guys, how do you perform micro tax? All you have to do is to click on micro jobs here. Watch the video to the very end. I will show you how to withdraw your money. Everything is simple. So when you click on micro jobs, click on find jobs, and when you click on find jobs, guys, look at this work that you can perform online. This one, watch video for 5 seconds and you earn $4. You can see watch video for 10 seconds and you will be earning $2. I want you to watch the video to the end because I'm going to show you how to make a lot of money in a particular day. Okay, if you don't have anything to do, you can perform a lot of tasks and make money, but I will show you the best way to make money from this website. So let's move on. You see, new offer, subscribe to our channel and you will make $3, almost $3 here. Guys, everything is simple. So if you want to make money online by performing simple tasks in Ghana, Nigeria, Cameroon, Kenya, just come here. All right, so you can see there's a lot of work that you can do. Subscribe to YouTube channel and you'll make what, 0.70 cents. There's a lot. All right, some requires you to sign up and you make a lot of money from this website. There's a lot, guys, there's a lot. Look at this. So if you have your smartphone, your laptop with internet access, you can make money online performing simple tasks. So how do you perform a simple task over here? If you want to perform a simple task, all you have to do is to click on that task. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this one, subscribe to my channel. So when you click on that tax, guys, I want you to pay very attention here. This what's gonna separate people who make money and people who don't make money. Everything here is legit. All you have to do first is to check the excluded countries. If your country is excluded, meaning you can't perform that tax. Okay, so when you check here, no country is excluded, but sometimes when you check, you see Ghana, Nigeria, Kenya, a lot of countries here. So when you see that your country is here, just go back and look for another job. Now here our country is not excluded, so let's look at what is required from you if you want to perform this task. So scroll down and see what is expected from freelancers. Now you say clear your browser history, so you have to follow that. Just clear your browser history. Let me show you how to clear your browser history. Simple. For you to clear your browser history, just come here, then click on these 3 icon buttons here, then click on histories and go to histories. All right, it's very simple. All you have to do is to click delete browser data. All right, so you see something like this. I want you to change, if it is here, I want you to change to all time, then hit delete data. All right, guys, just follow that. Everything is simple. So after deleting that, you see a message that your browser has been cleared. Guys, I'm not gonna spend time here. Let's go back and show you. So after clearing your browser, it says go to this link. So in order for you to proceed, just copy the link. Make sure you start from where it's mostly starting with HTTP. Don't copy this hyphen. Okay, so just copy from here. It says copy this. Just follow the rules. Follow that. Then open a new browser. It says paste it here. Then after that, hit enter. Okay, so it will take you to this place, and let's look at the next thing. It says now complete human verification by service or pin submit or app installation. all you have to do is to head over to this place and verify through the service any of them which is available here. Then after completing, join my Telegram channel. Guys, say join the Telegram channel if you want to make this $1 online. Just follow the instruction. After completing, join my Telegram channel, so follow that. Okay, so from here it will take you to where you can join the Telegram channel. Then now you can watch this video, so just copy this and paste it as I've shown you earlier. Follow the rules. All right, so look here, it says watch this video. Okay, so it will take you here. It say watch the video, so we have to watch the video. Okay, follow it, watch the video, and it says subscribe, so click on the subscribe. Guys, go back and look at what is required from you as a proof. So what is required from you as a proof after performing that task? Let's look at the first one, offer complete screenshot example. So guys, what it means is that this first link that you copied, okay, after getting the pin code from here, all you have to do is to take screenshots. And let me give you the shortcut to take the screenshot. You have to press the Windows icon and the print screen key on your computer. Everything is simple. Now let's go back. So first submit this screenshot, then now screenshot after joining the Telegram. So after joining the Telegram, you have to submit a screenshot. So how do you submit the proofs? All you have to do is to click here, choose file, and it will take you through your computer. So all you have to do is to locate the screenshot that you did. Okay, then click OK. So that will be added here. Then type your comment here. It says optionally send a comment. If you want to add comment, you can type. Now the next is to submit a screenshot after joining the Telegram. So you can do that. Everything is simple. Just follow what I did. And now after doing everything, click on submit proofs. Click here and it will be under pending. So you will see this $1 being added here as pending. After going through the tax and he or she is okay, your money will be added to your total and here. Everything is simple. How do you also perform service and make money here? All you have to do is to click on service and offers, then hit browse service and offers. All right, so for you to perform service, you can browse these service categories here. Okay, there's a lot of service categories here. Let's check. You can also scroll to this and see the remaining ones. Okay, there's a lot. All right, so let's check if there's a survey available. Okay, let's click on this one. So if a survey is available, guys, you can perform this survey. Everything here is simple. So register and complete your service profile to access all our service. So you can proceed by hitting my account. Some of them requires you to install mobile apps. Okay, so if you want to do this, just click here, install this, and you earn this $. Guys, just install Alibaba on your mobile phone and you get this money here. You can see I'm not going to do that. Everything is simple. Just follow it step by step and you'll be making your money online. There's a lot of service that you can perform and make money. All right, download apps and you'll be making money online. Guys, everything is simple. So if you want service, just browse through the service. If you want me to show you full videos on the service, comment in the description box and I will come back and show you. Now this is where you have been waiting for. How do you withdraw your money after earning the threshold withdrawal? All you have to do is to click on wallet. Okay, I'm gonna make the screen full by hitting F11 on the keyboard. All right, just click on wallet and guys, click here, request withdrawal. So when you click on that, it will take you to this place, request earn money wallet withdrawal. There's a lot of withdrawal methods that you can use to withdraw your money. You can use this BitPay, Litecoin, Payoneer, USD Coin, and PayPal. If you don't know how to create PayPal account in Ghana, Nigeria, Africa, I have a full video where I take you through step by step. The link will be in the description box. Click on that and watch that video. It will show you what you have to do in order for you to create PayPal account. If PayPal is not available in your country, click on the link and watch that video. So you can use PayPal Payoneer. I recommend you use Litecoin, Payoneer, or PayPal. If you don't know how to create an account with Payoneer, subscribe to the channel. I'll come back and show you how to create an account with Payoneer and link your bank account. After meeting the withdrawal threshold, you can use Payoneer to withdraw your money. If you are also using the Binance app, you can withdraw your money using the Litecoin. All you have to do is to copy your Litecoin details and paste it here. After meeting the withdrawal thresholds, you see there's not enough fund to withdraw. You have to meet certain threshold to withdraw this money, to perform a lot of tasks, and after meeting that, guys, you can withdraw your money from this website. You can make a lot of money by performing micro tasks online from this website. But if you don't know how to make money work for you whilst you are asleep, you will still be working your entire life for money. So watch the next video that will pop up on the screen to know how to make money work for you whilst you are asleep. Subscribe, comment now. See you in the next video.